Yes. So we'll continue. Next, the name that we provide is NOU for number of units. Then we click OK here. Yan, ayan na siya. Ang NOU, please select one from the list. Ayan. You should do the option. Say, ganun na rin yon. So dito, instead of subject here, okay, instead of units dito, okay, yung units mo is formula na equals, then you click on data sheet, and you click here. Idago man kita maklik. Arrow up and enter. Ayan na siya. Units 3. So whenever your user switch to any number from units list, automatically your grade sheet will update. Ayan na siya. Number 6. So gagawin nyo is ganon din sa descriptive title. I think you could do that alone. Considering na may idea na kayo. Dito sa schedule, anyway, yung room, hindi na siya table. Hindi rin table yung schedule. Hindi rin table yung title and instructor at yung descriptive title. Yung ginawa ko lang naman dito na table is yung semester, school year, tsaka yung units. The reason why you don't have to create a table to enlist all the subject code for the entire school year, covering all courses, is napakadami nga. So you just imagine when you click the arrow pointing downward, ang dami mong listahan, di ba? Sa pababa. So mas makaka-strain sa mata it instructor. So it's better this one na mag-encode na lang siya. While itong instructor na to, title and instructor, ganito ang gawin natin. We will merge this portion. Merge and center. Okay. Merge and center. Then align left. Okay. Ganon din sa schedule. So I'll just copy this part. Format painter. And then click on schedule. Format painter and click on descriptive title. Yan. Para pare-pareho na yung format. Room, align left. Align left na natin lahat ha. Dito, subject, align left din. Sa room. Okay. Yan na. Tinan mo, borders. Ayan. Para may border tanan. So for instructor, grade sheet ulit. Dito sa descriptive title, dito siya ilalagay, siyempre. More or less, dito banda. So here, erase ko muna itong object-oriented programming. Ganyan, delete. And then, here, equals. Then, switch back on data sheet. And then, click the portion for descriptive title. Ayan siya. So for now, walang laman kasi nga wala ring laman doon sa kabila. But if you would type the description, for example, web system and tech. So, ayan siya. Okay. So dito makikita mo na meron na. What I'll do is I will format this to underline and bold. Then sa schedule, remove din ito. Delete. Okay. Equals. Then you click on data sheet, you choose schedule here and enter. Okay, to check this one, schedule, format this as well into underline and bold. So on data sheet, if you place a schedule for 2:30 to 5, Monday to Saturday, okay, it should automatically reflect on the paycheck. Sa subject, ayan, maybe, ganito yung gawin natin, tignan nito. Sa subject kasi, wala siyang definite area kasi for the word subject alone, it does not fit column A. So what we'll do is, etong column B, gagawin nating dalawang columns. So, ganito siya, dear. We'll check muna the width. Width of this column is 10.43. So, kung gagawin natin itong dalawang columns, isot at 10.43, magiging 5. Ay, sila tong ko. Sila to. 10 ba yun? Hindi 37, 38. So, 38 alimana divided by 2, that is 19. So, liitan ko to muna. I make this 19. Right click.
19, ma'am.
Column width, 19. Ayan. And then, right click here. Take note, I am doing it within the column heading. Insert. Ayan. So, pareho na siyang 19. Ayan, 19 pareho. So, 38 man imaw gihapon. So, what we'll do is, for this to fit, okay, we'll select this one, and then merge. Merge. Yan. Same with Pedro. Merge it. Align left. Yan. Increase indent. Then use the format painter. Double click if you wanted to use it several times. Agar may binyat ay mga dark. Since ang galing natin laser. Select, and then escape to remove the format painter, then select the entire list of students ulit, and we choose this one para ma-remove yung medyo dark. Ito rin, na-merge din natin ang center. Dark portion. Ayan. What I'll do is liitan ko to siya. Subject to ato niya gina nila. Pwede na siya. Subject here. Yung bahugan na akong aton niya column A. And then for subject, ayan, equals. Remove ko na Remove this one. Pwede na akong sa units, gali may 3 patang nakatago. Delete. Subject equals, and data sheet, you click on subject, enter. On data sheet, if subject is already available, that is ICE2, ayan, it should reflect on your grade sheet. Okay, for room, pwedeng kamo kung doon ka na nga part. So, dito siya magre-reflect, bold, and underline, equals, data sheet, and click on room. Okay, demo purpose. 101. C. Enter. So, the rest, kayo na bahala. Same lang naman yung mga formula. Okay, next is ano gagawin natin next? What do we do next? Ito, yung mga data that is found here. As we observe, if we remove this portion, ayan, ayan, ano itsura?
Magulo, ma'am.
Nag-appear nga medyo hindi kaaya-ayang result sa interface pag walang value. So although understood na yan na kasi it refers yung dito may division tayo referring to the value 0 divided by 0. Ano imong error dahil hindi karo yun. So what we'll do is we will have a formula. Preferably condition. Nga kung uwa pa it value ri kara, kung uwa pa it value, ano ra atong basihan? Dayang total. Kung uwa pa it total, hay wa anay it ga-appear nga equivalent. So we'll use the condition, which is if your condition, we click on the field for total, the cell para for total, which is I9. Then we press F4 or function F4 to make it absolute. If wala pa itong laman, when we say wala, we place a quote na walang laman, meaning empty. If I9 is empty, I would expect this cell to be blank then, to be empty then. So your condition is, if I9 is empty, make this cell empty. Otherwise, ayan, magko-compute ka na ng formula. Enter. So tignan nyo yung itsura niya. If this cell is empty, next, kopyahin. If I9 is empty, if I9 is empty, I9 is equal to 0, yan na lang, enter. Kasi total is numeric, o hindi siya nag-accept mother of melody at the back. Hindi siya nag-accept ng empty. So we replace it with 0. So sa ilalim, ganun din yung ating condition. Take a look. Okay, after equals, we place a condition if click on total, which is I9. I9 pa rin ha. Then function F4 to make it absolute equal to 0, comma, pag wala pang total, ibig sabihin wala pang kina-compute, so empty mo na siya. Otherwise, sugpon na to nga original computation. Yan. So here, referring on the student, ito kasi sa taas is formula ito para sa general or kabilugan. Ito pwede na natin tong kopyahin. Ayan. Copy downward. Kasi notice hanggang sa ilalim na yan. Page up. So same formula here. Okay. Referring ulit dito sa total. Pag yung total is 0, wala mo ng result. Ganyan. Magulo. So here, we create a condition. If, click mo na. So if I9, we press Alt F4 to make it absolute, equals 0, comma, empty cell, otherwise, J9 times 30%. Close parenthesis and enter. Same din ha, dito. Huwag mo na kopyahin yung sa taas kasi may format abi mo sa ibabaw. May format imo nga iba. So here, make use of the formula if naka-record ba ako? I9
Yes, ma'am.
equal to 0, comma, empty cell, otherwise continue with the formula. Enter. Since this formula is for the students now, we would copy this one up to the end. Yan. So, pag maglagay ako dito ng quiz, total quiz is 20 items. Ayan, nag-a-appear naman siya, di ba? Pedro nakakuha ng 15. Ayan, yan na siyang result. Si Julina is 17. There. This one is better. Ngayon, nga lang, same logic goes with AA and LR. Ayan, pag kinuha yung total at yung laman, ulit, aron, isura na ati-atihan. So, same lang din. Ganun nagagawin. Your basis would be sum. So, this would be your basis ulit, yung total ulit, which is located on V9. V9. So, here, for equivalent na umayos, V9 yung ating basis ha. We edit this part. We create a condition if we click on V9, then we make it absolute by pressing Alt F4 equals to 0, comma, empty cells, otherwise, as is yung formula. Close parenthesis and enter. Sa ilalim, ganun din, we create a condition based on V9. So if click on V9, shift F4, equals to 0, comma, empty cells, otherwise continue with the formula. Enter. So, since this is the formula na for the students, we could copy this. Sa taas, V9 ulit yung basis dito ha. Pwede lang kopya-kopyahin. If V9 is 4 equals to 0, comma, empty, comma, 20% of W. Pwede na itong kopyahin yung 20%. Kaya nasa kailangan. So here, if you place a value for LR, like 35 items, ayan. 25 out of 35. Okay na siya. Move here. Okay. For midsummer exam and final, total naman yung magiging basis, which is on AA9. AA9. So, for equivalent, if AA9 F4 equals 0, comma, quote, comma. So, ito yung ating kopyahin. Okay, kopyahin ko ito. Itong formula. Control C. Kasi paulit-ulit nga. Close. Enter. So, tignan nyo dito. Okay, I'll just paste the formula and place a close parenthesis. Enter. And copy the formula. Paubos. Okay, initially, kunin ko muna ha, para makita niyo yung itsura. Ayan yung itsura niya. Sa equivalent, i-add ko yun. Sa 40%, ayan, paste ko na lang yung kinopya ko. Referring to AA9 lang naman itong lahat. Ayan, if AA9 equal to 0, and close parenthesis. Enter. So, dito, same lang din. Click and edit. Control V. And close parenthesis. Enter. Sa ilalim, copy this part. Next is OR. Your basis here naman is total located on AF9. So AF9. If click on AF9, F4 equals 0, comma, okay, empty. So, kopyahin ko ito. Yan, Control C. Close parenthesis, enter. Dito, Control D, close parenthesis, enter. Copy the formula. So, dito, paste, close parenthesis. Dito ulit. Enter. Pwede na kopyahin sa blue portion. Ayan. FES. So you don't need conditions for FES. Kulang pa ito ng remarks. Okay. Ay, ano ba ma'am? Remarks. Nasaan yung letter A? Remarks, letter A. Okay. Naalala niyo pa yung formula sa remarks? Wagon. If grade is 3 and below, referring to 3, 2.75, 2.5, hasta 1, then pass. Kung yung grade naman is, if FG is, ano FG? Kung yung FG niya is 5, then fail. FG niya ay 7, then no final exam or lack of requirement. Kung 9, drop. So, within the remark, save down. Nagay tayo ng remark. Then, dito, nagay muna ako ng value para ma-check ko ha. Here, exam 35, 34 yung nakuha. Final, 45 man. Ayan. 1. So here, we will use lookup. Siyempre, we would base that from the table. Ito yung kanyang table. Isok at 275 daya nga 2.5. So, dito yung basis ng grade. Actually, this is 99 pala. Correction ha. 100 abe. 40, 48, 55. 99 yung last data. So, dito tayo magbe-base ng ating remarks. So, we will use the function lookup. Lookup refers to a table. So, what is the value that you're going to refer on the table? Okay, that value is ito. AJ9, AJ o yung sa taas, tapos intersection niya. AJ9, yan, comma, and then we switch on the table, then we select the entire table, ayan, make sure it is selected. Then we press function F4 to make it absolute, wherein yung ating data for lookup, dito niya yung i-base sa left side, at ito yung magiging result niya sa right side. Okay, yung ating table is A2 to B11. Ayan siya. A2 dito hanggang B11. Yung sa left side is bases. Doon na natin. Sa right side naman, doon yung result. Okay. Ay, nano ah. Nag-look up ako. Buwang. Hindi pala look up condition. May gulay. If, okay, yung grade, sabi ko nga, is less than or equal to 3. Okay. That is pass. Still done. Otherwise, another condition, if grade is equal to 7, then remarks would be no final exam, comma, otherwise, if grade is equal to 9, then remarks would be drop. Otherwise, ano pa yung iba? Kung hindi less than or equal to 3, hindi equal to 7, hindi equal to 9, that is, wala nang pagpipilian kundi failed. Okay, how many conditions do we have? Okay, we have 1, if, 2, and 3. Therefore, we'll have 3 close parentheses. Tatlong condition, tatlong close parentheses. Alright? Enter. Boom. Pass. So, we'll just copy this. Ayan. Pass na silang lahat. Shift. Page down. Page down. And syempre, we will format this to just normal text. Naka-bold abi. Ayan. So, notice that if I replace it with 7, ayan, NFA siya. If I would replace it with 9, automatically, may remarks tayo na drop. That is all about the remarks. So your condition for remarks is if condition, wherein your choices would be less than or equal to 3, pass, equal to 7, no final exam or lack of requirements, and 9 for drop. The rest is fail. Ayan, medyo nag-ayos yun. What time is it? May 1 hour pa tayo. Kaya pa? Katugot ka mo ko. Kumusta? What asan na katon melody, no? Kung nagbiyog ako, ibiyog ang magkatuog. Pero hindi advisable ha na sa bedroom kayo magsusum for classes. Dapat ay may table, takamong study table din, tara dapat.
Alin the table, ma'am, sa sudit bedroom?
Hay, okay lang. Basta hindi makita ro bed. As kay Erika, ang ano, diya, sa idawang, taro kamera. Erika, eye level, haron, makaron, tama. Tanaw sa inyong obra, Abi. Share your work. Switch on the video and may I see. Patingin ng ano nyo, ng screen nyo.
Sinya ni ma'am, nakabutang do instructor, ma'am.
Sa idagom. Hello. Kamu magbutang nga ito instructor. Sa grade sheet naton. Hara, di ka rin mo appear. Page 1. Iya pagidayan sa page 2. Oh. Kaya raya nga lang ging code di ka sa taas. Diba may code yun da kita sa babaw. Iyahon mo lang rarayon. Copy. Copy. Page down. Kasi kada sig-dasig ha. Wata ka mo ga para. Nalagay mo siya dyan. Ay, harun pagali. Wa naton ging F4. Anay ka. So, when you make a copy, it uses relative referencing. So, what we do is we'll adjust the formula. Page up dito sa taas. Gawin natin tong i-F4 natin lahat ng data. Dito sa C1, shift F4. G1, shift F4 and enter. Dito, C2 siya, shift F4, enter. Sa unit, C3, F4. Then, dito sa descriptive title, G2, F4 man, enter. Schedule, click on G3 and F4. Room, then C4, absolute, enter. So, pwede na natin siyang kopyahin. So, copy. Then, page down. Page down. Ayan. Then, we paste it here. Ay, nakopya. Copy ulit. Select. Copy. Page down. And paste. Yan. Okay na siya. Page down. Ay, 2 pages malanggali ra. Yung put at 3 pages. 2 pages malanggali. Now, dito sa baba, ito, instructor, formula manda, equals, then on data sheet, you click on title and instructor, you press F4, enter. And then copy it, Control C, page down, paste dito. Okay, when we switch on data sheet, and you place your name here, ay, lowercase. Here,